Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 11, exercise 11B, book D1, arithmetical problems and percentages. Question number 1. If you read the statement, the value of an antique art piece appreciates each year by 12% of its value at the beginning of the year. If this art piece cost $22,800 in January, what is its value at the end of 3 years? Correct your answer to the nearest $100. Okay, now cost, you can write first of all the given data, that is cost is equal to $22800, rate of percentage, that is equal to 12%, at the end of first year, at the end of first year, that is equal to 22800 plus 12% of 22800. So that is equal to, by simplification you will get 12% of 22,800. So you will get, by simplification, 2736. You simply multiply 12 by 100, multiply by this, you will get this. So that will be equal to $25536. So that is your first part. At the end of second year, so at the end of second year, you will get 25536 plus again 12% of this one, so 12% of 25536, you will get, this will be written by the same one, so 12% of this you will get 3064.32. so in this way your dollar will become 28600.32. so at the end of third year, again 12% of this one, so at the end of third year, you can see here, so at the end of third year, that is equal to 28600.32 plus 12% of this one, that is 28600.32. so that will be equal to 28600.32 plus 12% of this. By using calculator you will get 3432.03 approximately 38. So you will get that it will be equal to $32032.3584. so we need the calculation correct to nearest $100. so therefore you can write as correct to nearest $100. so you will get $3200,000.0. so that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 2. In question number 2, if you read the statement, in Molo villages there were 30,000 people, and it was estimated that about 4,000 people attended the party to celebrate a new year. So we read the statement, you will get the total people in Molu village, that is total people in Molu village that is equal to 3000. So people attended the party. That is equal to 4000, and that is your unit, and 100,000, that is your 30,000. 4000 attended the party. So percentage of attendance, therefore percentage of attendance is equal to 4000 divided by 30,000 multiplied by 100. So by simplification we will get 13.3%. So the total people in Koka village. Now another total people in Koka village. In Koka village, that is 25,000, and people attended the party. That is equal to 2800. So percentage you can find here, percentage you see here. So the percentage of attendance, that is equal to 2800 divided by 25,000 multiplied by 100. By simple methodology you will get 11.2%. Now in this question we have been asked that which attendance have greater. So it means, therefore it is very simple, that is 13.3, that is 13.3 percent is greater than 11.2 percent. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 3. In question number 3, read the statement. A science competition is marked out of 60. James obtained 43 marks, Roy 46 marks, and Ben 49 marks. The examination board decided that those who score 80% and above will get a gold award. Those who score 70% to 79% inclusive will get a silver award. What award does each boy get? Okay, maximum marks you can after read the statement. So maximum marks, max marks is equal to 60, and James percentage is equal to 43 divided by 60, just multiply by 100, you will get 71.66%. So the Roy percentage that will be equal to he got 46 out of 60 multiply by 100. So the percentage is 76.66%. So another boy, that is Ben percentage, that will be equal to he got 49 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. So the result is 81.66%. So we come to this conclusion that Ben's percentage is greater than 80%. So Ben will get gold award. You see here, as Ben percentage is greater, as Ben percentage is greater than 80%, therefore Ben will get a gold award. And the other two ones, that is James and Roy, will get silver award. So that is your required result. You see here. Now coming to the question number 4. You see here. Now coming to the question number 4. Question number 4. Read the statement in your textbook. Belly reads 150 pages of a novel on Friday and 40% of the remaining pages on Sunday. If there are 600 pages in the novel, what percentage of the book remains to be read? Okay, so remaining pages, first of all, the remaining pages. Remaining pages, that is 600 minus 150, so you will get 450, that is your remaining page. So pages read on Sunday, 40%. So okay, pages read on Sunday, that is equal to 40% of 450. So it means it is equal to 180 pages. So total pages read, therefore total pages that is read 180 plus 150, that equal to 330. So pages still to be read, pages still to be read, that is you should minus, that is total pages you should subtract, that is in your that is what percentage, that is if there are pages in a novel, what percentage of the book. So first of all you should minus it, that is pages are 600, so 600 minus 330, have these pages have already been read, so the remaining one is 270. So 270, so it means percentage of these pages. How can you find? Just simply 270 pages still to be read, so we need the percentage. How much percentage? That is of those pages which is still to be read. So it means percentage of that is of it, it means 270. So 270 divided by total divided by 600 multiplied by 100, you will get 45%. It means 45% pages are still pending, are still to read. So it means that is your result. Coming to the question number 5, you can see here question number 5. In question number 5, Nana sold her tea at 65 cent per gram in 2006, which was 25% more than it was in 2004. What was the price of the tea in 2004? Okay, let the price of tea in 2004. Let the price of tea, that is equal to X cent. Okay, that is equal to in 2004. By given condition, if we read the statement, that is 25% of x plus original x is equal to 65. So 25% mean 25 by 100x plus x 65. So after simplification, 100 is your LCM, so 25x plus 100x, you will get 6 by using cross multiplication. It will give you and 125x. The value of x is you can see here divided by 125. So the value of x is by simplification. Therefore, you can see here after division you will get 52. C. That is your result. So it means that is your answer. Now coming to the question number 6. Question number 6. A man's salary is $1,850 per month. Out of this, 20% goes to his rent, $690 goes to food, and $940 on other expenses. What percentage has he overspent? Okay, man's salary. First of all, you have to write that man's salary is equal to $1,850 for rent. For rent expenses, that is 20% of 1850, so that will be equal to $370. So the expenditure for food $690, and for other expenses, expenses, that is equal to $940. So total expenses, that is equal to 370 plus 690 plus 940. Just you have calculated, so the total is by using calculator you will get $2,000 is total expenditures. So the remaining salary will be remaining salary, because expenditure should be subtracted. So you have minus 2,000, you will get minus 150. Minus means overspent. It means that the expenses are more than his salary. So minus means overspent, that is expenses are more than income, so that is your 150. But what is the percentage of overspent? So you can find the percentage, because in this question we have to find the percentage of overspent. So that therefore percentage of overspent, that is equal to 150 divided by total salary is 1,850 multiplied by 100. So you will get 8.1% is more expenses than income. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 7. After spending 1 to 8% of his income, a man has to borrow $756 from his friend to make up the difference. Find his income. Okay, you can see here question number 7. Let's man's income is equal to X by given condition. You can write 128% of X minus X 756. So 128 divided by 100x minus X 756. So by taking LCM, 128x minus 100x 756, by using cross multiplication you will get how much x? so 28x, but you need the value of x. 75600 divided by 28, so the value of x is 2700. So it means $2,700 is your required result. That is your answer. Now coming to the question number 8. In question number 8, for each of the 2 successive years, when bean prices rose by 10%. At the beginning of the first year, 1 kg of the bean cost $20. At the end of a second year, how many grams of beans to the nearest 10 grams could be bought for $50? Okay, in this part 2 steps are to be shown here. You see here at first year, if you read the statement carefully, you have to read the statement fully. At first year, 10% rise of $20. So 10% of $20. So it means, what is the meaning of this? This means you have to multiply with 20, so you will get $2. It means $2 has increased. Therefore, price of 1 kg beans. Therefore, price of 1 kg beans will be 20 plus 2, which is increased, so it will give you $22. So at the second year, so that is your at first year, so at second year, 10% rise of $22. So what is the meaning of it? It means 10 divided by 100 multiply by 22, you will get $2.2. So it means that is your increase. So the then price of 1 kg beans, therefore price of 1 kg beans is equal to 22 plus 2.2, you will get $24.2. So therefore beans bought for $50. Therefore beans now beans bought for $50, that will be equal to 50 divided by total, that is 24.2 is total price, so you will get 2.0661 kg. So with the help of by expanding the $50, you will get 2.066 kg. So beans, we have to find the beans in grams also. Okay, it is you are in kg form, so convert into grams. So you can see here, so you have to convert into so beans in grams, just you have to multiply bean in grams, that is the result is 2.0661. you should multiply with 1000 because in 1 kg there are 1000 grams. So just simply after multiplication you will get 2066.1 grams. So R you can say that is equal to 2070 by rounding off, because correct to 10 grams, that is correct up to 10 grams, your result is this one. So that is your answer. Coming to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9. A liter of orange fruit drink contains 22% orange juice. How many milliliters of orange juice must be added to produce a mixture containing 50% orange juice? Okay, orange fruit drink, orange fruit drink, that will be equal to 1 liter that is equal to, in 1 liter there are 1000 ml, 1000 ml. So percentage of orange juice is equal to, that is, we have been given 22%, it means 22%, total is 50%, multiply by 1000. So percentage of orange juice, that will be equal to 2 to 000 divided by 50, you will get 440 ml. So that is your first step. In second step, number of ml required. Therefore, number of ml required is equal to 1000 minus 440, you will get 560 ml. So that is your required result. It should be noted that 22% orange juice, how many milliliters of orange juice must be added to produce a mixture containing 50% of orange juice. Therefore, you can see here 22% divided by 50%, multiply by 1000 to convert into mls. So that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 10. Question number 10. Which would you rather have 12% of $330 or 330% of $12? Explain why by showing detailed calculation. So okay, first set of information is set of information, that is 12% of $330. It means 12 divided by 100 multiply by 330, you will get $39.6. And second set of information, that is your first set. So second set of information, that is 330% of $12. So it means 330 divided by 100 multiply by 12, you will get $39.6. So both statements have the same result. So from this you can also see here the 39.6. so here is a, so we can say both statements have the same result. Therefore both statements have the same result. So that is your answer. Now coming to the last question, question number 11. In question number 11, nothing to be solved in this question, only we have to conclude some result, that when if we read the statement, when negotiating for more pocket money with his father, Alan is given a choice, either an increase of 30% of years followed by 20% increase next year, or an increase of 20% this year followed by a 30% increase next year. Which would Alan choose and why? Simple, that Alan will have spent more money in first year than the second year. It means it is easy to choose that Alan will have more money to spend in the first year. So you can write here, that is Alan will have more money to spend in first year. Through the second year, because the second year will end up with the same amount as in the second choice. So I think that this choice, Alan will have more money to spend in first year than in, you can write, than in second year. So it means first year is the best choice for the Ellen. So by the grace of God, we have completed exercise 11B. So I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.